Hello friends. In last video we saw how to use for loop and its and we saw its two examples. In this video we will use for loop for solving this problem statement for sum of n natural numbers. Let's get started. For that we need our standard includes input and output functions. I use stream.h and console outputs functions, that is conio.h and main function clearing user scheme and defining we are what integers we are using. So we will be using I integer for incrementations that we need for finding sum. We will be using n, which user will define what is the value for n, and we want one more integer, that is sum. So in that we will storing sum of previous number, as we are going to add n numbers. So we have to store previous sum in sum, and we have to add further numbers, further natural numbers. So that will be I. So we will be initializing sum to 0 as see. Sum should be initialized to 0 because it should be defined. Sum should be defined as, see here, I is integer, it is defined, n is defined by users, and sum is defined by us. So see, any number added to 0 will not change its value. So that's it. And we will ask user to input value for how many numbers to add, or sum sum of n numbers. Okay. And so user will input value for n. Okay, and now we will initialize for loop. So see here, I will be initialized to initializing I to a 1, so that incrementation will be starting from 1. So I will be initialized to 1. We will define relation between I and n. So here I will always be less than and equal to, because we have to add n also. So that will be less than equal to n. And in every step I will be increasing by 1. So that is I plus plus. And statement for that, see. So we want sum. So sum in each case will be equal to previous sum plus I, as I will be increasing in each step. So that will be increase total sum. So plus I and enter. And output statement. So output is nothing but final sum after adding all numbers up to I is less than equal to n, or when I will be equal to n, the sum will stop. So output will be nothing but sum and endl. And pretty much output closing brackets, and let's do let's check sum for 10 numbers. Enter. So that is 55. Sum of n natural number, that is 10 numbers. So 10 plus 9 plus 8 up to 1. So that is 55. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new.